Traditional mechanical keyboards rely on physical metal contacts that wear down and register key presses at fixed depths. The Keychron Q1 HE changes that by using magnetic Hall effect sensors to detect the exact distance every key travels in real time. That means you can customize actuation points from 0.1mm for lightning-fast gaming inputs up to 4mm for deliberate error-free typing. It also unlocks rapid trigger technology, letting keys instantly reset the moment you begin releasing them for effortless rapid-fire motions. Underneath the solid aluminum body, a double gasket mount absorbs harsh vibrations to give each keystroke a satisfying deep sound profile. However, at $219 and over 4 pounds, its substantial weight and proprietary magnetic switch layout limit universal modding options. Would you trade standard mechanical switches for per-key magnetic precision and rapid trigger speed?